All right, today we're going to bring a projector alarm clock. Now, this is a perfect clock if you want to be able to see and project the actual timer, not just in the front, but actually in the ceiling. So let's open it up and see what you get. This is an antenna for the radio part. Instructions. I'm going to remove the seal. All right, let's take a look at some of the features in here, right? You got alarm 1, alarm 2, noise levels. You got your actual speaker here. You got your light for the volume of light that you want, and then you got your volume of audio here. And on here, this is the actual laser device that's gonna move to the top, and it swivels. If you guys can see that, it moves left or right, up and down, pretty much. Type C to power it up, all right. And then they give you a type A to charge any device, other devices. In the front, it looks very slick. You can move it up and down. And in the top, this is where all the magic happens. The light, you can turn it on and off. Clock, up and down arrows, snooze button, and radio. That's pretty much how it works. So we're gonna test it out and see how well it works. Let's plug it in. Turn it on. First time turning it on, blue color. We're gonna do the set alarm. So we're gonna set the clock. Right now, it is about 2:16. So we're gonna say 2 clock 16. Right, right now it's not too dark right now. We're gonna come back at night, but I just want to show you guys the actual light. To flip it, you got to hold on the same button for the actual lighting. Right now we're in the highest tone right now, and we're really close, but we're gonna set this up in a dark room and see how much we can see. Right now, if you guys can see the clock, it says 2:21. So we're gonna hold down the button here. There's a button right next to it. You hold it down and it flips it over. So now we can see the right time, 2:21. So the radio, here's a radio. It just goes, you push the button and that's it. You could change the stations here, and it's very simple to do that. Snooze buttons, very simple. Now to turn on the alarm, you got to click alarm 1 and you'll see it, and you have to program it too. So when you hit alarm 1, it shows up right now at 6 a.m. We could turn it off easily by hitting the same button. Alarm 2, you could set up another alarm and turn it off by hitting the same button. So easy to set up 2 simultaneous of alarm. It could be back to back, a minute after each other. Very simple.